Hello everyone, welcome back for another painting video. I have been doing a lot of kind of ocean blue type colors. So I did the wave swipe, I did the midnight sky wave, and then I did the horizontal swipe. So that means I have my leftover paints for my kitchen sink scrap and pour. So that is what I'm gonna do tonight. My purple one, when I did my Etsy sale, already sold. And then the green one pre-sold with this one that she hasn't even seen yet. So I hope it comes out okay. She wanted the two of them in the two color schemes. So Jennifer, technically this one is for you if you like it. And Lisa, thank you for purchasing the purple one. So I couldn't be happier. These are super fun because you have almost no expectations. You know that the colors work well together and it gets rid of the rest of your leftover paint. So I'm excited. I had some pearl paints left over, as I have on my last ones as well from the colander pour that I did. But I'm only using the green, the violet, and the blue this time. So I'll have those pearl colors and then all my ocean blue colors from before. So let's paint. Okay, so I am going to start with some of these darker colors on here. I'm gonna pour this almost like an infinity and just use up the rest of that because I want my darker colors to, maybe I'll do this one like this and then come around like that. I want to make sure that I have my darker colors down as the base on this one so that the pearl colors will show up nicely. Maybe I'm doing like a little design here. I don't know. I should probably stick to the way that I've been doing it before because I am probably going to need a little bit more paint because I really liked the way that those came out. Okay, I've got one more color here. I should have saved just a little bit for to go back on top of them. But let's see how this comes out because I've got these pearl colors too. So maybe this will be enough. Ooh, I hope this one comes out good. Now I'm worried because somebody already wanted it. These always look so messy when you start, but they come out so cool. Okay, let me see if I have any left. If not, I might grab just a little bit more to go around the base. And I think I might just do the dark blue. Got a few colors, a little bit of color left throughout there. Yeah, I've got a little bit here. And another tip, if you have little cups like this or, cups like this, and you have leftover paint in them, but you don't have lids for them, I just take press and seal and go straight over the top, make sure you seal it around the rim, and it lasts for a week that way, as long as it's airtight. So you don't always have to buy cups with lids and have like a whole shelf of them like I do. You can simply just put a little bit of press and seal over and they'll stay for quite some time. Okay, do I have any color left? Let me see. And now I need to figure out, is this enough paint? So I have a good amount in the center, but I don't want to stretch out my swipe too much. I might do just a little bit of blue around the edges. Okay, and I might run just a little bit through there. And then I'm really just going to put this around these edges to make sure that the paint flows off. And it should cover it. The reason that I do that is so that I don't have too much room that I have to move the paint when I'm swiping, so that I'm trying to talk to you at the same time, so that I don't have to stretch the design out too much if I don't want to. I can manipulate it the way I want. So that's always why I try to make sure I have a good enough amount on the canvas. Now I'm going to come back in with some of the pearl colors over top this again. We are going to see how these swipe through. Watch this be my one that doesn't work out because because I'm making it for someone. That's almost always how my commissions go. Okay, so I am going to swipe with white. I do have my, my supply list down below the video. You can always check it out to get my little PDF supply guide. And I do still have my swipe technique course. I get this question a lot. Can you swipe with other colors? Like, why do you only swipe with white or black? And yes, you can swipe with other colors. And I have, and I like it. But my favorite and what I like to paint with is normally white. And there's some nuances to metallic colors, swiping with those as well. But you can definitely swipe with lots of different colors. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna start. I'm trying to figure out which corner I want to swipe to and how I want to start this. And I think I'm gonna come, want the paint to touch there in the center and right there. I think I'm gonna come this way. I really enjoyed making that Midnight Sky one, and I do still want to do a blue sky one instead of a midnight sky. Somebody said to paint in clouds, and I may do that as well, because I've done that before on some of my ocean waves where I paint the sky and then I do the fluid art over top of it. And those are super, super fun. I have actually a bunch of paintings like that. So might do that as well. Okay, this is really pretty. I am just going to move that pearl color up there. I may want to do something with this pearl color before I swipe through it. I actually don't know which pearl colors this is going to be. I think I'm going to swipe right up through there. Right up through there. Okay. Making this up as I go. I also had a request to do some other colors. So I mix up big batches of colors at a time, and I pick, a color set, and I make some different versions of paintings with them. It's what makes me happy. It's what I like to do. But I had some requests like, oh, I'm tired of the ocean blues. Could you do something else? And I do lots of different color palettes, but I agree. And I think it's time to play around with some color again. So I have some ideas, and I also want to revisit my 4-corner concept with the blowout in the center. So I'm going to be going back to that as well. But you have to, especially being a YouTube person as well, you have to do what makes you happy and find a balance of what everybody wants to see and what you like making as well. And it's tough sometimes. All right. Okay, so I'm going to come through up here. Ooh, my stomach is growling. I am hungry. Oh, that is pretty. Okay, that's going to be super cool in the middle here. I think that's going to stretch out beautifully. I had a little bit of a wonky part right here. It's where I swooshed across. I wonder how that's actually going to come out, and I wonder if I should come into it like that. I think that was the right move there. And I'm still going to, I have so many things, so many ideas. I'm still going to play around with my spinner that I got from Erica Hughes Art as well. So I want to do a colander pour again. Oh, and I have the new colander too. I want to do another colander pour, but instead of black, because it still came out kind of dark, I want to do layers of colors in between. Okay, so I think here I'm gonna come right in through there. Okay. All right, I think this is enough. That may even slide off this edge a little bit. Okay, so I went ahead and got my gloves on. What I'm actually really excited about is I had a lot, this dark blue that you see is ultramarine violet blue, and it's got a purple, sorry. Oh, yes, ultramarine blue, sorry. And it has a lot of purple in it, and I have that violet as well. So I think that that's gonna come out really nice. I think I'm gonna stretch to this side first because I just have that pool of blue paint there. And I am glad that I added that extra paint to help it off the sides. So I'm gonna go all the way down, come back, all the way back over, and I'm just stretching those swipes back out. Come down this way. Ooh, this one is so pretty. Oh my goodness. The swipe's really stretched out on this one. Ooh, it's barely making it over the edge. And now I'm gonna bring it back. And it's got this like river down the center that's gonna be pearl color. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh yes, I really like this one. I think the only thing I'm gonna do is carry this. I don't know, should I do it? The only thing I'm gonna do, I think, is carry this line down through there. All the rest of it, I'm not touching this. I'm happy with it. Oh, I like it. I like it. Okay. Yes, I love this corner over here. That's going to be a pearl color through there. Pearl colors up here. I may just, do I touch that right there? And then this one right here. I said I was done, y'all. Okay. I'm done. I'm not doing it. Okay. All right. I will give this a good torch, show you what it looks like wet, and then we'll see how this one dries together. Oh, goodness. This one is going to be very pretty. I can already tell it's going to dry so cool. All of these parts are going to be pearl colors. Oh, so happy. That's going to be, you can see the pearl green. I think maybe that's pearl violet. I'm hoping maybe that'll be pearl blue in the middle. Look at that. And then that corner. Oh my gosh. Super happy. All right, let's see how it dries. I cannot be happier with this one. My goodness. The metallic, there's the, let me see if I can hold this and show you. The green showed up so pretty next to the purple, and there's just these tiny little hints of the violet through there. But look, that was my favorite section when it was wet, and it is definitely my favorite section dry. You can see the metallics through there. The lacing, it's got like this little river coming through. There is so much depth in it. And I am waiting to hear back if Jennifer liked it. So we will see, but I love it. Super duper pretty. I am actually really having fun mixing the regular paints and the pearlescent paints together. This, I cannot be happier. I think I have some big canvases left, and I think this is going to be one of my color palettes and techniques for one of my big canvases. So stay tuned for that. All right, thanks everybody for watching. Happy painting. Bye.